Your Android phone can be hacked without you touching anything, but most people never change these settings. Let me show you how to protect your Android phone. These steps work on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Pixel. No apps, no technical skills. Just simple security settings. Step 1. Secure screen lock. Open Settings, tap Lock Screen, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics. Set a PIN or password. Avoid using swipe or pattern. A PIN is much harder to break. Step 2. Turn on Google Play. Protect. Open Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Tap Play Protect. Turn it on. This scans apps for malware. Step 3. Remove unknown app sources. Open Settings. Search. Install unknown apps. Tap Install unknown apps. Turn off access for browsers and file apps. This blocks dangerous apps. Step 4. Check app permissions. Open Settings. Search Permission Manager. Tap Permission Manager. Remove camera, mic, and location from apps that don't need them. Step 5. Turn off Bluetooth when not using. Bluetooth can be used to connect to your phone. Turn it off when not in use. Step 6. Enable. Find My Device. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap Google. Tap All Services. Tap Find My Device. Turn it on. If your phone is lost, you can lock or erase it remotely. If you want more Android security tips, subscribe now. Step 7. Keep system updated. Open Settings. Tap Software Update. Install the latest update. Updates fix security problems. Your phone is now much safer from hacking, spying, and data theft. Your Android phone holds your life. Protect it. Subscribe for more Android how-to videos.